Alright everyone, today we want to teach you a very delicious and easy recipe from the Chinese cuisine, Mayi Shang Shu. We start with 100 gram glass noodles, which we soak in warm water. Then we need 300 gram minced meat, which we give in a pan and begin frying. Then we need a small piece of ginger. First, we remove the skin and then cut the ginger into very fine pieces. We also take a piece of garlic and chop it into very fine pieces. Then we add our chopped ginger and garlic to our frying minced meat. For the next step, we need 4 to 5 pieces of scallions. We cut the white parts of the scallions into very fine slices and also add them to our minced meat. The green parts of the scallions we use later. Very important for the flavor of our dish is a full tablespoon black bean paste. Also add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water and mix the black bean paste with your frying minced meat. Now we add our soaked glass noodles to our pan and mix everything well. After that, we also add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. After cooking it for 1 minute, our dish is almost ready. We now only have to cut the green parts of scallions and some chilies to add some color to our finished dish. These are not necessary and not part of the traditional dish, but it looks great. Have fun trying it out. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. To support what we do, please recommend our channel to your family or friends, either in real life or on social media. We really appreciate your support. Have a nice day. Over and out.